Who would have thought you could earn money by just simply clicking online? It seems impossible, right? Well, in this video I have for you today, I'll show you an easy course of action and how you could get paid straight to your PayPal account by just using this website. This game-changing strategy is accessible to everyone wherever you are in the world, and it doesn't require any expert knowledge of technology, the creation of videos or websites, or a significant social media following to get started. Imagine having complete control over your finances simply by using some straightforward strategies to earn money online. You would be able to provide for yourself, both your needs and your wants, if you had that kind of financial freedom. And it's all because of this easy technique that we have now. Don't forget that I'll be providing you with some special additional tips that, compared to other people, will allow you to earn double or even 3 times as much money as they do. Therefore, make sure you watch until the very end to learn this technique. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Compared to other people, you can generate an infinite amount of money by merely using your computer or smartphone. And this is truly possible with this website. As I will show you, in your browser, type in entireweb.com. Hit enter and you'll see this page right here. Although Entireweb is comparable to Google, the company is still in its early stages. As a result, they are offering financial compensation to anyone who can create clicks that will direct users to this website. They are making an effort to get more people to click on it so that they may increase the amount of traffic that goes to their website and make more money as a result of it. On their homepage, there is an icon that looks like a menu. Click on it and then click on the word affiliate in the drop-down menu that appears. After that, you are going to be taken to this page where you will notice the following. Earn up to 20 cents for every click. It seems straightforward, doesn't it? I'm going to share with you some pointers and strategies that will enable you to make the most of this earning potential and eventually transform it into something passive. You now know that you will be compensated for each click that you generate while using the site. In addition, it is important to underline that anyone, anywhere in the world can utilize this method. Following the completion of the necessary steps, you will be able to withdraw your money via PayPal. Don't worry if you don't have one, because they also accept payments through a variety of different options. All earnings for the previous month will be paid out at the end of the month as shown here. All payments are made in US dollars. To get going, all you need to do is go to the payment details, enter the necessary details associated with your PayPal account, and you will be ready to go. To pique your curiosity further, the functionality of this platform is identical to that of the Google search engine. You can search for anything you want to find on this website if you go there. How do you like this video so far? Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you will see more of our easy-to-understand money-making videos. Now, let's continue. You only need to fill in the name of the subject or term that you are interested in researching or reading about. In addition, this tool will provide you with the most precise and relevant results. For instance, if I put in making money, I will be sent to this page, where I will be presented with all of the search results that are associated with the subject matter or phrase that I have just entered. Using this strategy, we become the website's promoters, or in their terms, affiliates, who will assist them in reaching their goal of gaining trust from customers who visit their site. This will allow you to make a lot of money easily. You will make a significant amount of money if you convince someone else to use the site through your referral. That is barely sufficient for one individual. What would happen if you were successful in convincing a few hundred or a few thousand people to use this search engine? That indicates a significant amount of money will be coming your way in literal terms. So let's get started and register, shall we? Simply do this by clicking this button right here to proceed. You will be taken to this page after clicking, and on it, you will be required to provide them with the information that is required for your registration to be processed, such as the information that is required here. Read over their terms and conditions once you've finished filling out all of these forms. And if you agree, just click this box and then click Sign Up to complete your registration. After completing the registration process, you will be brought to your very own personal dashboard. You can see your link here on the top portion of your dashboard right here. However, before you do anything more, you need to be sure that your one-of-a-kind link is safe. If someone clicks on the link that you provide and then visits Entireweb.com, you will make a significant amount of money. Now, to successfully promote your one-of-a-kind link, you will want to employ a simple script. Therefore, navigate to Google Docs and open a new blank page where you can compose a message that will entice readers to click on the link you provide. One more choice is to use Google to look for a script that is already prepared. Was this method easy for you? We would love to know about your experience in the comments below and help our community of like-minded hustlers. But for now, let's move on with our video. On the other hand, if you have the time, you can simply write your own. You won't regret spending some time and energy on writing a script since it will pay off in a significant way in the not-too-distant future. It needs to be distinctive as well as intriguing. After you have completed writing your script in Google Docs, you can easily save it in PDF format by selecting the option that is located here. After that, we will move on to the next website on our list, which is called slideshare.net. And there we will upload the finished version of our script along with a link to our site. This platform is incredible as seen by the millions of views it receives each day from users located in every region of the world. It is a source of traffic that will enable you to market any link that you want to thousands of people every single day without charging you anything. Sign up for an account so you can start uploading your file. You can either sign up using your Google account or Facebook account, and then just upload your PDF file here. You can drag your file and drop it onto the page. Your file will start uploading. After that, choose the document that you wish to promote and give it a title that will lure people from the general public to click on it. After you have finished filling in all of the details, all that is left to do is click on this button to publish your script. At this point, there is nothing left for you to do but sit back and watch as the clicks and the money roll in. Overall, this is a good situation for everyone. New customers sign up for Entireweb services, and those customers get to conduct searches for anything they like. What was your experience with Entireweb today? If you have any questions or would like to simply share your experience, feel free to comment down below. We'll try to get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Good luck and see you in our next video.